just want to say that this is the sixth time I've done this tutorial due to Camtasia Studio or whatever failing on me and losing the files, or the file being retarded and messed up, and I can't use it, but we're gonna try one more time. Okay, so in this thing we're gonna learn a little bit about plugins and how to install plugins into your server, and a few commands. So all the plugins are gonna be installed in the plugin folder. Hope you know that. Kind of makes sense. Let's get started. We got to go to bukkit.com, or bukkit.org. I'm sorry. So go to bukkit.org, go to get plugins, and show a list of all the plugins. We're going to be installing 3 really important ones that you should be already familiar with. If not, get familiar with them. One's going to be Bukkit. I'll explain what all these do in just a second. And go to Bukkit server, plug in the directory that you set earlier. Okay, now we want to go to Essentials. Essentials. It has tons of stuff, but we only want the core download for demonstration purposes. Oh my god, I've done this so many times today. Hope someone appreciates this. If you appreciate any of this, please tell me, because it helps in times like these. So, alright, we have everything downloaded. So, go to Bukkit, plugins, and we have all of our stuff. Okay, so if you have any type of file like these, any type of zip files or RAR files, you need to unpack them or extract them into the plugin directory. It's going to get really messy, like a pile of dead fish just kind of laying in a barrel of data. But when you run the server, it starts up the Essentials, Bukkit, World Edit, Lockit, and it should create folders. And inside these folders there are config files that you can edit with Notepad++, which is a very important program that I recommend you getting. And you can set various things inside here, and this is especially important when you get programs such as Group Manager or Permissions X, when you want to make it so only certain people can do certain things inside your server. Anyways, let's play together on this server. I'm going to show you how to use these 3 things. First thing is you need a chest. I'm going to be very brief with this. Chest, put a sign on it to lock it. Very easy, only I can use it. Next, let's see, Essentials, whole slew of commands: help 1, help 2, help 3, or help 4, help 3, help, just tons of stuff. Most important ones, I would say, for admins are things like backup, set spawn, and home. So, I mean, it's not just for admins, but it's for everyone. Very important. So, set home. So, let me set my home over here. Set home. Okay, so I have my spawn set. So I can go spawn if I'm feeling lonely and want to socialize with the village people. I have my home set if I feel like sitting on my cute wooden chair I made when no one was doing anything. Alright, so I'm going to make a home, okay? This is my home. Okay, that's my home. And this admin comes along, right? His name is Jacover Time Day. Okay. And he doesn't like this, not one bit. Okay, so he's going to use World Edit to help him destroy this, even though I could destroy this immediately. It's demonstration purposes, but what he's gonna do is he's gonna type / wand. He's gonna get his little World Edit wand, which is usually a wooden axe, but I have a weird pack, so he's going to then place something right there, and he's going to right click that. So left click the first position and right click the second position, makes a square at the height, the low point, and the edges, I guess you would say, of the figure and it makes a little three-dimensional figure. And there's many things World Edit can do, but what I'm going to show you is the set command. So you do set data value, but you're going to have to Google data values to set to your whatever you want, but the most important one is 0. 0 is the block for air, which means it goes away. So let's set it to 0, and it deletes it. It's very helpful if you want to do anything. See, there's our blocks that we set. Say we want a giant block there. We're like, oh, that was ugly, but let's put a giant freaking there. Or wait, / set 89. A weird glowstone block. It goes perfect for here. Say we want the middle hollowed out, or right here. There we go. Set 0. Oh, look, we have a little pathway. This can be very helpful in times where you need to delete something or get a lot of blocks out. But as for little server commands that you should know is definitely like how to load whitelists from the without starting the server up. So you would go to whitelist, which opens the whitelist commands. So you do whitelist add jacover.sexypants. So he is added to the whitelist jacover.sexypants, and I would like to reload the whitelist with whitelist reload. So that is reloaded. Jacover.sexypants can now join. I'm sorry, Camtasia messed up again, but anyways, let's see, where were we? We reloaded the whitelist, and that's about it. I just want to make my closing remarks. You should know generally how to use essentials, use time, night, game mode, cover 1, game mode, cover 1. See, there we go. Time, day. All of these should get your server up and going. And I bid you a, hang on, stupid, destroy you. Bid you a farewell. And hope you have a good night. Look how pretty that thing is. But see ya.